डॉमिनिक, काल आमचे सांताक्रुजचे सरपंचान तुमचें नांव घेतलें आनी तुमी म्हणले तुमी जेन्ना तेंचे वांगडा रुलिंगेन आसले तेन्ना तुमी चोरले बा आसतले म्हणून. कितें सांगपाचें हेजेर?
पळय, एक्चुली हांवें जेन्ना व्हिडियो पळयलो, आय वॉज व्हेरी सरप्रायज टू हियर वॉट शी सेड. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, with the due respect to the sarpanch, it does not suit this kind of word. It does not suit any elected member, not only her. She should be an example for people. Now, what has happened? The same thing what she said on your channel. Okay, I spoke to my lawyer. The lawyer says 356 BNS Act has been violated. Okay, 356 BNS Act is violated. It clearly says insulting someone on media or through deeds. So accordingly, see, I am a law-abiding citizen. I have already filed a police complaint on her today morning itself against and to file an FIR. So I will go by law. So I see, if I want to say many things, I can say many things. I should have evidence, and I do things only when I have evidence. So talking just on air, because when you see media, you get out of control and you talk something. See, I know what is my capacity when I was working with them, and she does not have the capacity to remove me. I am sorry to say this. Her husband or she had no capacity to control me. That's the reason I came out. They had no capacity to remove me. If I was corrupt and if I wanted to make money, I would be stuck to them. I didn't wanted to make money, and I didn't wanted the curses of the people. Okay, I have many evidences against me. Then when she goes for inspection, she tells her to meet her husband. I have call recordings on me. See, I will go by law. So I don't want to just talk anything. I have, that's why I talk. So let the law take its own course. Okay, I have filed a complaint. Let my complaint be forwarded to the concerned person. I will follow. Finally, the court is there. That's all.
Why this contractor is so important? Because you itself were insisting them to be given to the same contractor, the people. Plus, where she says that no, the performance of that contractor is not good. Is there any contradiction? Because you like their performance while being in ruling and they dislike it.
No. See, the contractor what currently who was doing is not the lowest. There is a lowest contractor below him. He is the second highest. I just want to tell you, go by law, select the contractor who will save money for the panchayat, save money of the people. It is not their money who are going to spend. I am not telling you give him or her or that fund. I am just telling give a tender to a person who has quoted law. That's all. And what is so doing? Someone is doing work good, appreciated, no doubt about it. But do it as per law, no? That is what my say is. I am not saying give it to this fellow or that fellow. The current contractor is the second highest. There is the lowest quotation.
Okay, keeping that aside, how was the performance of this contractor? The last contractor, was he under performing? Or was that is the village being bad,
See,
badly managed?
Naresh, I am telling you, you are also in the same village. You also must be knowing the collection which is done. See, no one can be perfect. There was problem there, and garbage is a thing that it comes and go. Problems happen. But then you have to sort it out. No, now I only had brought up the issue at the MRF plant. I think you were there when we went to MRF plant. It was full, right? It was full of garbage. We have covered there, saying that Baba, this contractor is not able to lift up, and then again, then we came to know the baling machine was not done working. Then Sarpanch was informed. So this is, see, when you are in the administration, you have to take care of about all the small things. So I am not saying that select this contractor, and I have, see, if I wanted to be with them, then I would have been with them. No, I am not there, and I am telling with my really that I am proud to be in opposition, and I tell the people of Santa Cruz that they may be rest assured that next 2 years Dominic will be at the same place. Will not join anyone. Will stay as an opposition till the end of the tenure. This is my word.
Just one more thing. If you know that the tender process was wrong and incorrectly awarded, what have you done about it?
See, Firstly, I have filed a complaint with the BDO and with the director of Panchayat. BDO has issued a memorandum and I have filed an RTI. Just yesterday, the file is come back with no permission given to the new contractor because they have not followed as per the law. This is one part, administrative part. Second part, I have got a call letter to verify my complaint from anti-corruption. I am called on the 20th of this month. So my legal battle is going on. Maybe administrative side and maybe criminal side. I am following. I am not a person who will put complaint and forget. I take all the complaints, all my issues to logical end. So things are right on place. And I want to see how the panchayat is going to make payment for this contractor without an work order, without the permission of the director of the panchayat, without the permission of the BDO. And BDO have clearly mentioned on the reject, I have read the file, that all the items in the this has to be under GSR, government GSR rates. You cannot put your rates here. So at least the secretary of the village should be aware of it, no? That's why I told that the director of panchayat and the minister who is looking after this department should concentrate here. When you have too many portfolios, you ignore such things. You take them for training and you put them that boss, you cannot do illegal things, and then you have to face the law. So I just want to tell that things has to be done legally and as in the ambit of law. Nothing, no favoritism, no give and take, nothing. I am saying that why favor? Don't give anyone. Go for e-tender process, clean process. When I was a deputy sarpanch, last time also I told that Edwin Dias has moved the file, and when his tenure got over, we took over. I was the person who followed up that file and did it e-tendering process, clean process. Where is the question of kickbacks in this when you have a e-tender done? The Sarpanch is misguiding people of Santa Cruz, and for that she has called me. She has to prove in the court of law that what she has called me with evidence. That's all. Thank you.